Hello there. Here's a quick video on the Tursa Group process when we work with you as a Canada Digital Adoption Plan Digital Advisor. So what we do here is we create a schedule. We try and create these plans in 4 to 6 weeks, which I know can be a little tight depending on the size of the organization, but it's a structure we try and adhere to. So we create the 6-week plan. We have probably a couple different software applications we'll be looking at for you, an operations software, maybe a financial software, could be a variety of things. We'll do a cybersecurity audit, some sort of Google or G Suite or Office 365 optimization, online sales and marketing, we'll take a look at that, video education and training, as well as video for online sales and marketing, management reporting and KPIs. And then we'll sprinkle in quite a bit of change management as a strategy for you as the business owner or the office manager, because the reason a lot of technology implementations fail is because change management wasn't one of the driving forces when trying to implement the new technology. So super important to make sure the whole team's on board and that you're dealing with any possible resistance from your staff. We talk about capacity issues, both in cost and time, and figure out creative solutions to address those particular issues. All right, we've got our cybersecurity checklist we go through, document your sort of current processes and wish list. We'll do an analysis of the various operations software that you want us to take a look at. We have our criteria that sort of we feel is best in breed for doing the proper analysis. And these are just example categories, but the categories will be custom to your particular business, whether you're in construction, whether you're in print management, whether you're a lawyer, whatever it might be. Here's just an example analysis we did for a construction client, some various construction management platforms. Here was the categories and subcategories they wanted us to address. And so we did all this documentation for them, so it made it easier for them to at a high level take a look at which one best fit their needs, and and so it just gives them it just saves them all that tedious research. Plus we know there's a process for finding the best of breed application for a particular vertical, and so we have that process which we can share with you as well. And then a return on investment. This is a great exercise to do. Most companies don't do it, but I suggest you spend anywhere from 3 to 5 hours just at a high level trying to put together a return on investment. I've got an example here of a bookkeeping example for a not-for-profit. You can take a look at a live example and then use that as a model for your own return on investment. Then we create a 12 to 36 month implementation plan. We talk about setup, training, and sandbox and pilot of whatever the technology might be, and then a go live and support. And we just want to make sure that we're staggering the technology across different periods of time so we don't overwhelm the staff with too much change too quickly. So we'll go through and create that plan, and then we also have a more granular plan for for projects, different tasks associated with implementing the project or the technology, costs, capacity issues, estimated hours, who the task owner is, start date, due date, and this all project out in a Gantt chart so you can see where you are and who's responsible for what. So that's just a quick overview. Hopefully that helps you out, and we go through this process, and this is all a document that we share with you so you can edit this in real time with us so we can collaborate in the same place. Okay, the other thing I'll mention too is when we do this, what we usually do is a screen share and we video record it, and that way we don't miss any important details when we have our discussions about your requirements. And then we also have there might be some requirements that aren't in the video screen share that we might need to be adding into the requirements list for the analysis. So hopefully this gives you a better understanding of the Tursa Group process for the CDAP program and for creating the report. I'll do another video on the actual report that we give you, but this is just the way in which we gather the information to create the components of the report that we give you. Thank you very much.